Have you seen those viral Korean baseball broadcast AI videos all over social media lately? They seriously look like real TV camera moments from a live sports match. And the crazy part is, you can make one yourself with just a selfie and some AI tools. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create your own AI sports broadcast video. Not just for baseball, but for literally any sport and any team you want. Let's get into it. Step 1, the prompt. So first, we need the master prompt. Like I said earlier, this is a flexible master prompt that works for any sport and any sports team. I already uploaded it to my website, and the link is in the description below. Before using it, you only need to edit a few parts. You can change the sport name into anything you want. Football, basketball, badminton, baseball, literally anything. Then choose your favorite team, like Manchester United, for example. If you want more detailed results, you can also customize the jersey description or accessories, but that part is totally optional. After that, simply copy the entire master prompt. Open ChatGPT and paste it into the chat. Once you hit send, ChatGPT will automatically generate a ready-to-use image prompt for you. Copy the generated result because we'll use it in the next step. Step 2, generate the image. Now let's turn that prompt into an actual broadcast image. Open a new chat in ChatGPT and switch to the Create Image mode. Before generating, upload your selfie first so the AI can match your face and appearance. Then paste the image prompt you copied earlier and hit send. Wait a few seconds while ChatGPT generates the image. Once it's done, you'll get a realistic sports broadcast style photo that looks like it was captured by a real live TV camera during a match. Download the image and save it because we'll animate it in the next step. Step 3, generate the video. Now it's time for the best part, turning the image into a realistic AI broadcast video. First, copy the video prompt that I also provided on my website. Then open Google Flow, or honestly any AI video generator tool that supports image to video generation. Choose the video generator mode with the all frames option enabled, and make sure the aspect ratio is set to 16:9 so it looks like an actual sports broadcast. Upload the image you generated earlier, paste the video prompt, and hit send. The rendering process usually takes a few minutes, depending on the tool you use. Once it finishes, your AI sports broadcast video is ready. And just like that, now you can join the viral Korean baseball broadcast trend too. And honestly, the coolest part about this method is how flexible it is. You can make football broadcasts, basketball broadcasts, badminton broadcasts, Formula 1 broadcasts, basically anything you want. So if this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and check the description for all the prompts and tools I used. Now go make your own viral sports broadcast video, and I'll see you in the next one.